So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Adhil Reddy. So today I'm going to unbox my new Gorillapod and let's get started. So guys, I purchased this Gorillapod from Amazon. So as I've uploaded a recent video of mine, GoPro video. So I'm thinking to start moto vlogging. So for this I bought a Gorillapod for my camera. So yeah, at the top you'll be getting a phone mount here. So you can also mount your phone and you can screw it to the mount and you can hold it. I'll just show this thing after a couple of minutes. So this is the phone mount and you'll be getting a Gorillapod here. So we'll just keep this aside. So this is the Gorillapod. And the main thing about the Gorillapod is it cost me around 300 rupees in Amazon offer. So I want to check it out how the build quality is and how much weight does it withstand. Like I have to test with my camera. So this is a card where it tells us you should claim your warranty within 10 days of purchase. Without that you can't claim your warranty. I guess it has 6 months or 1 year warranty, I don't know correctly, but yeah, it has warranty. And so this is the Gorillapod. As you can see here, it has a nice grip and it has a sturdiness. This is a plate so that you can mount it to your camera and you can do it. So now I'll mount my phone so that you can imagine how does it withstand. So yeah, one second, I'll bring my phone. So guys, this is my sister's phone, Samsung Galaxy J2 something, I don't know the name of the phone. So yeah, this is the mount. You can either screw up here or you can screw here also. So I'll screw at the below so that you can withstand, you can see the phone mount with Gorillapod. So I'll fix it here now. So as you can see, I've fixed this screw into phone mount. So I'll just keep it pushed up here and I will mount a phone here now. And yeah, it's I fixed this thing to Gorillapod and it's good. Yeah, it's good. The phone is not even, it's not shaking. Yeah, actually here you'll be getting a ball here so that either you can move like this and you'll be getting a ball here also. For every joint there is a ball so that you can move it in any side so that it can withstand itself. So you can use it as a tripod. I can't remove my camera and show it right so that I'm showing on phone. Actually it will, I guess it works well with camera also. Yeah, it's good. So I will upload, I'll show you a photo how does I'll keep a video I'll capture on my phone and I'll be uploading the video right now so you can see it how it can withstand camera with this Gorillapod. So guys, this is my primary camera. It's Sony Alpha A6300. I've been using this camera since 4 to 5 years. So now I'll check it out on my Gorillapod by using, I'll be checking out how the Gorillapod withstands with my camera. So I'll just mount it this one on camera right now. So at the below you'll be having 1/4 screw here so that you can easily mount here and you can do it. Just screw it up. So right now I'm taking a video from my phone. It's a Realme X50 Pro. Yeah, I've fixed it and just for safety sake it's not moving, so I'll just clip it here. So we'll see how this thing records with using of this. So yeah, so hey guys, this video I've taken by using my Gorillapod. I guess you can understand I'm holding my camera on Gorillapod itself. So yeah, this is the reference for my video by using Gorillapod. So in future videos you'll be seeing my video by using this Gorillapod if I'll go to moto vlogging. So yeah, I bought this Gorillapod mainly for using camera to hold up and for walking itself. So I guess you have liked this video. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and make sure that you should be safe in your home. And signing off, Adhil Reddy.